Hello, Namaskar, good evening. How are you all? You all are watching us on eVidya channel number 6 to 12. My name is Srijan Rajput and I welcome you in this live interactive session of NCERT. Beside these channels, you are also watching us on our official YouTube channel, that is NCERT Official. Once I welcome you all for this 5-day, 5-hour online special training program on cyber security concern in emerging technologies. This particular session is conducted by CIET NCERT, Central Institute of Educational and Technology NCERT, Delhi, in collaboration with Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, Ministry of Home Affairs, to enhance the understanding of teachers, students, educators and various stakeholders on social media and its various aspects to cyber security. So these are the mediums how you can connect with us, because this is a live interactive session and we are on day 3. So we have a special topic for day 3, as on day 1 we learn Internet of Things, and on day 2 we learn ransomware, emerging threats and its countermeasures, and for day 3 we have another beautiful and important topic to discuss on artificial intelligence based attacks. AI based attack is the topic for today, and there are so many mediums to connect with us. If you are watching us on NCERT Official, there is a live chat box option, so go there and put your queries and question there, and beside this you can contact us on our official contact number, that is 8800440559. Beside all these medium, you can contact through our official mail ID. This is a particular mail ID for a training program, training.helpdesk@ciet.nic.in. So these are the medium how you can connect with us, and there is another important information. You don't need to put your attendance on live chat box option, because there is no attendance link. You just need to register and participate in this quiz, and at the last of this session I will tell you how you can register yourself, and I am sure many of you is already registered for this quiz competition. So if you score more than 70% marks or above than 70% marks, a participation certificate will be given to you. So all the best for this quiz program. But for all these quiz you have to watch our all 5 sessions, and for more you can explore our NCERT official YouTube channel. So let's begin with today's topic. As let me introduce first of all, let me introduce our today's guest, Sir Amit Sankholia is with us. Sir is a Deputy Director from I4C, Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, MHA, in Ministry of Home Affairs. Sir, namaskar and warm welcome. Dear viewers, so we have another important topic to discuss, that is artificial intelligence based attacks. So this is another important topic to learn on cyber security. So sir, I want to know what is AI. First of all, what is AI? Our viewers also want to know AI ke bare mein, and how it attacks and how a person attack one through it, if we want to know about this.
Actually, in 1950, Alan Turing, he did a test with machines, that can machines perform as equivalent to the human beings. Then in that test, some machine passed that test. It is called Turing test. It is the initial phase of it can also be called that it was the mother of all experiment which led to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is something that machines are performing similar tasks to humans. They can think, they can learn, and they can react. This is called artificial intelligence. And if some kind of terrorism or virus attacks generated through artificial intelligence, these attacks will be called artificial intelligence based attacks.
So now you know what is artificial intelligence attack. This is our today's topic. So this is another very important topic when we are talking about cyber security concerns in emerging technologies. We have some very clear motives to conduct this training program. Let's talk about these, like enhance understanding of IoT, cyber security, voluntary vulnerabilities, threats, and countermeasures to identify, prevent, and respond to ransomware threats effectively, and comprehend AI cybersecurity risk, vulnerabilities, and countermeasures for secure machine on clearing, promote online banking securities, understand threat intel, stay informed to enhance cyber security. So let it be start this today's topic that is very important to learn. So sir, please shall we start?
Definitely, ma'am. Good evening, all dear students. Today we are going to learn about artificial intelligence based attacks.
Okay.
2 days prior, you learned about Internet of Things through our expert Mr. Giri, and yesterday you learned about ransomware.
Yes.
Now the today's topic is clearly it is mother of all kind of cyber threats which are present to us.
Okay.
These topics we will be going to cover through this. The introduction to artificial intelligence, then we will move to understanding artificial intelligence in cyber security, then evolution of cyber threats, how they evolve through the time, the type of artificial intelligence based attacks, what are the types, and these are adversarial machine learning, deepfake attacks, AI powered malwares, detection challenges of these kind of attacks, what will be the future trends, and then we will conclude.
Okay.
Now, should I continue?
Yeah, sure, sure. Sir.
Now we go about knowing about the artificial intelligence. Now, what is artificial intelligence?
Okay.
Artificial intelligence is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks which require human intelligence. What human can perform, if a machine start to perform the same thing, we can call it artificial intelligence. What kind of task which are expected from machines, to call it as artificial intelligence, that are learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding natural language. Natural languages means the languages like Hindi, English, all different type of natural languages if machines start to understand, and perceptions. If machines start to do all these things, this will be taken as artificial intelligence. Then second thing is learning and adaptation. That is very important part, that machines start to learn from the things which they are daily facing, situations which they are daily facing, and adaptation.
Okay.
Problems come in front of machines and they start to learn from that problems the solutions, and they create new solutions out of previous experiences. They can adapt and improve their performance over the time without explicit programming. They do not need any kind of human intervention. After once they have learned themselves, they automatically start to respond to new situations and applications. Artificial intelligence find diverse applications in the fields, many fields. We can take example of driverless vehicles. We can take examples of healthcare industry. Right now, without doctors, there are some kind of prescriptions can be given through AI by detecting symptoms of a patient. They regularly program some kind of symptoms and related prescriptions. AI can automatically generate new prescriptions out of that big set of data already inbuilt in that codes. Now, the importance of artificial intelligence in cyber security. Now, there are many positive parts of artificial intelligence. We can talk 100 good aspects of artificial intelligence in our daily life. We can use in favor of or mankind, like in healthcare industry, telecom industry, or internet industry. There are n number of industries where artificial intelligence will prove like a blessing.
Yes.
But the another aspect is very dangerous. If artificial intelligence used by persons with their ill intentions that can prove very fatal to all the development, all the achievements which human race has achieved so far, that can be that can prove to be very lethal to all the achievements which we have done till now. Now, similarly, as we have used artificial intelligence in all other aspects, we have to use the same artificial intelligence in cyber security also. So, how we can use cyber security in artificial intelligence? There are many points covered. You can see that, like threat detection.
Okay.
By creating such kind of algorithms, AI, artificial intelligence automatically analyzes vast amount of data to identify patterns. There are regular attacks on all kind of IP addresses, all kind of important organizations. If they deploy artificial intelligence for threat detection, it will automatically analyze the pattern. It will help to identify previously unknown threats. It can automatically perceive new kind of attack is going to happen. The second is behavioral analysis. It means that it analyzes the behavior of users of a particular system, particular network, how a person is using his computer, how much time he is leaving his computer idle, how much time he is using it for which application. It identifies the patterns of a user. If the pattern, there is some kind of anomaly in the pattern, it will identify.
Okay.
And it will generate some kind of threat intelligence. Next is automation and response. Artificial intelligence streamlines incident response quickly. If some incident has happened in any kind of network, it will analyze and categorize. It will also record that kind of patterns occurred in that incident. In the next kind of similar incident, it will trigger immediate mitigation and it will reduce the response time. It will automatically respond to similar situations.
Yes.
Next is adaptive security measures. Regularly changing attacks, regularly changing malware codes. It will continuously, artificial intelligence based system continuously learn from new data, adapting to emerging threats and evolving attack techniques.
Yes.
This adaptability is crucial in addressing the dynamic nature of cyber security threats. And next is user authentication. User authentication is very vital, because if any ill intention person comes in organization and uses some kind of inserts some kind of virus in our system, it will not, artificial intelligence will never let him to do so, because it will deploy some kind of biometric, some kind of facial recognition kind of system. It will reduce the risk of unauthorized access by any person to any system.
Yes.
Now, the next point is malware detection. As you all know that all kind of antiviruses which are available in the market, they are also using artificial intelligence powered systems, because they continuously study existing malware codes, and on the basis of that, artificial intelligence system automatically create that by analyzing that code patterns and behavior, and this capability improves the system to identify malicious software, including all that which are already present. And the last is predictive analysis.
Okay.
It enables forecasting. Those threats which have not been identified till now, it can also predict these kind of threat, that this kind of threat is may be harm our system. So, we can take proactive actions to secure our system, to secure our network, to secure our all kind of data, to defend from defend our systems from all these kind of future cyber attacks. Now, till now we have learned about artificial intelligence and the use of artificial intelligence against possible cyber attacks.
Okay.
Now, what kind of cyber attacks that can be done through artificial intelligence? It is we can say it like it has two sides, positive side and negative side. Now, we are going to talk about negative side.
Yes.
These the evolution of cyber threats, that increasing sophistication. Now, these kind of social virus engineers have created highly sophisticated codes.
Okay. Got it.
As they have evolved from very simple, easily detectable attacks. Now, they are not easily detectable. Now, that are not so simple. Now, attackers employ advanced techniques which makes it very challenging
Yes.
to identify, detect and react,
Definitely.
and diversification of target. Now, the cyber criminals they have not a set of target, they have diversified the list of their targets. They can target any kind of industry, any individual. They do social engineering before any attack. And the last is global interconnectedness. Now, due to expansion of internet, every system is interconnected. We can say that entire world is like a global digital landscape.
Yes.
The internet has expanded manifold and it gives a broader attack surface. Now, there are many vulnerabilities in many systems. So, the cyber attackers have great opportunity to attack where any kind of loopholes they see. What kind of AI attacks which can be seen in near future? Number one is adversarial machine learning, the second is deep fake attacks, and last is AI powered malware. Now, first number one topic is adversarial machine learning. If we remove the word adversarial, it will leave machine learning. The machine learning generative AI is equivalent. In the very beginning, as we said that during Alan Turing did a test in which some machine have passed. That test was used for good of human race. By improving on the same technology, artificial intelligence was built upon. In the negative part, the cyber criminals use the same technology for their ill intention and for enabling them to do crimes through cyber world.
Yes.
Now, the machine learning, we can see that it involves deep learning. There are many algorithms. It continually improve itself. It has the same functions which your brain has inside. We can answer to only those questions which we have learned so far. The data of those questions remains in our brain. Only we can answer only those questions. Similarly, machine learning can perform those tasks only for which it has been given data.
Yes.
Now, artificial intelligence does that, it continuously enters data in that machine and fetches the results out of that. It is called positive machine learning. Now, in adversarial machine learning, it is purposeful manipulation. There is some negative purpose involved. It involves attackers purposefully manipulating input data to deceive machine learning models. Now, what is happening here? A artificial intelligence is attacking another artificial intelligence model. One is positive machine learning and second is adversarial negative machine learning. Now, adversarial machine learning is doing what? It is attacking and manipulating input data to deceive the positive machine learning model.
Yes.
It is making alteration to input features so that it will exploit vulnerabilities and cause the model, positive model, to misclassify or make incorrect predictions. It will do some kind of change in the original codes, so that original model will give incorrect results. By due to this, there kind of many harms can take place. And second is evasion and misclassification. In a negative kind of adversarial machine learning, it attacks and focuses evading detection and causing misclassification. Cyber criminals and attackers use techniques like adding imperceptible noise. They add in their codes some kind of noise, they can add some kind of images or some kind of input values to trick machine learning algorithms into producing inaccurate results, which will compromise the reliability of model, and the model will collapse in the meantime.
Okay.
Nobody will ready to believe on that system. And the last one is the race between positive and negative. Positive will also learning, negative is also improving. Which is more improved will win. It can be called that it is cat and mouse game. As machine learning models improve in detecting adversarial attacks, similarly adversaries also adapt their methods, leading to a continuous cat and mouse game. The focus should be continuous to improve on the positive side. Now we will see the second topic, the deep fake. In the 2-3 days back, there was an attack on a commercial bank of Hong Kong, in which the attackers mimicked one employee of the all employees of that company, excluding one employee.
Okay.
And that employee was targeted. And the employee came to believe that everything was natural, because it was created using AI and deep fake techniques. And due to this, there are many billion loss to that bank because of that deep fake attack. Now you can understand that how important to understand deep fake technology, which is increasing day by day. Deep fake means deep fake image also, deep fake voice also. This kind of attack creates a substantial threat to individuals. Like if someone's, you have also seen that there are some famous persons whose images were used in deep fake. Like you have seen that Rashmika Mandhana, the daughter of Sachin Tendulkar, Miss Sara Tendulkar, both images were used in that kind of deep fake image. And it also creates a very big challenge in front of organizations, due to that advanced AI to create realistic and manipulating content. These maliciously crafted videos and audio recordings can damage reputations of individual. It can spread misinformation. It can incite mistrust. Whom should we believe or whom we should not believe?
Yes.
We will get confused.
That's a tough situation.
Individuals may face personal harm as their identities are exploited, while organizations risk brand damage, financial losses and erosion of public trust. These are very bullet points which students should remember, that what are the challenges in India which we are facing right now, that people receive call from someone. This is unknown, the call is received from any unknown number.
Okay.
And the voice which you are going to hear will be your known one.
Okay.
Definitely you will believe that he is my father or my son or my husband is calling. Then that person will demand some kind of money in the similar voice to your known one.
Oh, that's a very weird situation.
Yes,
that's very tough to know. Very tough to believe on this situation, but many of us maybe get victim of this situation.
Definitely, and in I4C we are receiving many kind of these kind of cases, that the person got a call from someone unknown number, and then when he received the call, he heard very exactly identical voice of his father or his mother or his son or his husband or his wife. Now the other side will demand some kind of money. like I want 50,000, please transfer in this account. Now there is no reason to disbelieve that he is not the person, because we are regularly interacting with our known ones. So the person transfer the money.
Yeah, that's a very real and a very weird negative side of AI which we are listen from you. So how can we protect from it?
Now we should get ourselves 100% confirmed before doing any kind of financial transaction.
Definitely.
Suppose you have received call from your father by unknown number. Before transferring money, at least call him once that have you demanded money? Definitely he will deny.
Yeah.
Similar responses we are receiving from the victims of these kind of cases. This is very actually, as the AI is increasing day by day, everybody is using, its space is increasing day by day. It is also creating space for the cyber criminals to complete their ill intentions, their crimes which they perform regularly. It is also giving them a good hand also.
Yes. Once rechecking is better to transfer something, definitely making a transfer money to someone.
Yes. Now the next point is the potential for deepfake to deceive and manipulate poses significant challenges to cyber security and underscores the critical need for advanced detection mechanism to mitigate all these kind of risks. Now we have understood the deepfake. It is not. Now in the last session you have learned about some there was one topic presented about ransomware. Ransomware is also a malware. Till now we have seen that malwares are created by some human being. Now there are some incidents like the chat GPT which is unboxed in recent time. If we type that create a code which gives me password of this, it will give you result that I am not programmed to give you a code of this kind. But the negative kind of persons who can create similar kind of chat GPT model by doing some kind of research, and they will not put any kind of restriction, and their model will create a code. Now that code will be created by artificial intelligence. This will be called AI powered malware, which represents a paradigm shift in cyber threats. Why it is called paradigm shift? That these kind of malwares have not seen previously. They are infused with artificial intelligence capabilities. These malware adapts, learn and evolves, making it highly sophisticated and difficult to detect. Once a malware hit any kind of network or system, it will check that what kind of response measures the system has taken, and it will come back, it will adapt, it will improve itself and go back and attack again. Till the time it is not finds its purpose completed, it will continuously attack. Its autonomous nature allows for dynamic targeted attacks, posing a significant challenges to traditional cyber security measures necessitating advanced defense strategies. Like these malwares may be ransomwares. Now what we see that we are using antivirus in our systems, in our computer, in our laptops, in our mobiles. Now if somebody is creating malwares through artificial intelligence, these antivirus will not going to work. Because the artificial intelligence based virus will adapt according to the need of the situation.
Yes.
And it will improve on the basis of the antivirus which you have installed in your laptop. Because your laptop is getting updated day, or maybe after 2 days, maybe after 5 days, but the AI powered malware is improving itself in per second.
Oh.
It is coming here, checking the system, going back, improving and coming back. Now, it can create a situation if we do not deploy artificial intelligence based antivirus, then most of the system may get collapsed. It may result in kind of ransomware attacks, where these kind of attackers may demand huge ransoms from public, and there may be big data losses to the industries, which till now we have seen ki there was news coming through that this company data have leaked. These are done through human kind of Simon criminals.
Yes.
Now, in the future, all these kind of crimes may be routed through artificial intelligence. Now, what are the challenges in detecting AI powered malware or AI powered virus attacks? Now, detecting artificial intelligence based attacks, it creates a great challenge, because they are adaptive nature. These attacks dynamically evolve, continuously learn itself due to their machine learning models, and it will behave as a normal file, but it will include it can also be a deep rooted attack, and they can evade traditional detection methods,
Yes.
which are deployed in our normal antivirus softwares. The second is the use of these kind of techniques where attackers manipulate input data to confuse all these machine learning models. It adds complexity to find what kind of actual code inside in that software or in that file. As artificial intelligence is integral, now we say integral, it cannot be removed from the word cyber security.
Yes.
It is used for legitimate artificial intelligence activities, and malicious intent becomes intricate, and the rapid evolution of attack strategies demands continuous updates. And how we will continually update? If we use artificial intelligence in the same way in our antivirus softwares, in our operating systems, firewalls. If it is the updation models is based on artificial intelligence, it will also learn from the negative part, that how is attacking this time. It will improve its codes, it will cover all its loopholes, and the next time it will pose a great challenge to that attacking party. Now, what will be the future trends?
Okay.
As we have seen that evolution of artificial intelligence based attacks are in its starting phase only, but in the starting phase only these attacks are demanding or concentration to foresight into emerging technologies and potential adversarial strategies. What kind of adversarial strategies which the cyber criminals are going to adopt, and according to that we have to create our technology to safeguard our systems, to safeguard our data, to safeguard our networks, everything.
Yes. First of all, awareness is make a big role in that situations.
Definitely, we have to spread awareness in the public to use the artificial intelligence ethically.
Yeah, that's why we conduct this whole online training program, so that our viewers get the information and awareness regarding this cyber crimes.
Definitely. We are also attending some conferences where the guidelines in the country to use the good use of artificial intelligence are making of all these guidelines is in progress, which will be released very soon. And as a student, we should know about all increasing evolving technologies. Everybody is using mobile phone. You can install the chat GPT. you can use you can use the various models of artificial intelligence, various kind of tools which are inbuilt in chat GPT and the generative AI kind of thing. It can generate some kind of
Yeah,
images.
definitely, sir. That's an important role when you are going to know about cyber security, and that's why we conduct this online training program. As you all watch us on eVidya channel number 6 to 12, and beside this on our official YouTube channel, that is NCERT official. That's a 5-day, 5-hour online training program on cyber security concerns in emerging technologies. And today we are discussing the important topic, that is artificial intelligence, AI based attacks. That's how wonderfully sir described this whole subject, sir. Please.
Now, in the future trends, as capabilities of artificial intelligence, attacks are likely to exploit our techniques. There will be some more sophisticated adversarial machine learning attacks, and there may be more hyper realistic images, deepfake images. In the beginning, there are some kind of point is we can find that it is artificially made or it is natural by human eyes, but in the next phase it will be very difficult to differentiate between artificial intelligence made images and natural images. And the integration of artificial intelligence cyber security tools in proactive stance, it will predict how attacker is going to attack our system. It will definitely leverage our side, and it will constant research in the field of artificial intelligence will give a boost to developing robust defenses and adaptive strategies. And the next is vigilance in monitoring emerging trends. We have to be very vigilant. What kind of trends are coming? What kind of topics on cyber criminals are working upon? By continuously being in touch with artificial intelligence, we will be able to know all these crucial elements in anticipating and mitigating the future kind of attacks which are going to happen.
Yes.
Now, what should we do? What should we do to mitigate the threat of cyber attacks? Now, as a country, we should invest in advanced threat detection research. Organizations should prioritize the deployment of advanced threat detection system. So we can collect data, and we can input that collected data in our artificial intelligence machine learning models for detection of any kind of anomalies and behavior. Behavior means the behavior of users. What kind of behavior they are performing while using their systems, and this integrated system will identify the pattern of AI based attacks immediately, and it will immediately enhance the ability to detect and respond to evolving cyber threat. Second is, which you earlier covered, that continuous employee training. Now, if the person is not trained, he will not be able to identify that his system is under attack of artificial intelligence. If you come to your office and see your system open, which has already inbuilt a biometric system or a facial recognition system, that system may be deceived by artificial intelligence based image created of similar to you. The computer will not be able to detect that, and it will open the system for attacker.
Yes.
So we need continuous employee training, as these attacks exploit human vulnerabilities through tactics like phishing. They will send you a phishing email, and some person who is not knowing about phishing mail, he will open that, and there will be a code inserted in his computer and through his system in the network, through his network in the entire systems
Yes.
the code will get inserted.
Okay.
And continuous employee training is very crucial, educating staff on recognizing and reporting any kind of suspicious activities, and particularly those in which they are thinking that some kind of artificial intelligence driven manipulation has been done, which will definitely help us to create a strong firewall, strong defense mechanism to fortify the human element of cyber security.
Yes.
And the last but not the least, to implement adaptive security measures. Adaptive security measures means the measures which will learn from the existing attacks, which can predict what kind of attack which is going to be happened in future. They will learn from their previous experience. It will update itself and upgrade the cyber security engine, the data. Through all these kind of things, we will definitely be able to safeguard ourselves from all these three which I have mentioned, that adversarial machine learning, the second is deep fake, and these kind of attacks we will be able to defend ourselves from ourselves.
Yeah, as you conclude this particular topic, as we are talking about artificial intelligence based attack, but somehow can you put some example for viewers to explain this situation?
Yes. If we talk about the positive side,
Yes.
in any like Google has recently launched its artificial intelligence based application, which is called BARD, BARD. If you just type in your Google BARD, it will open a chat box.
Okay.
Now you write some kind of query which you have, you want to do some kind of output out of that, like you can write ki create a presentation on environment.
Yes.
Then it will create 10 slides automatically on environment. Now it will do 10 hour task in fraction of seconds.
Okay.
In 5 seconds it has done the task of 10 hours. Now it is very useful. In the second instance, I have read a news in which it was discussed among very famous medical institutes that they should now use artificial intelligence in giving prescriptions.
Okay.
There is a huge kind of debate maybe happen on this topic, but still we see that there are very less number of doctors in our country, according to the population. If we find that on every 5,000 or 10,000 people there is one doctor. Now that one doctor is not enough to serve to the purpose, to serve to the entire 10,000 people. Now if you use artificial intelligence, what you have to do, you have just to type that I have headache, I am feeling cold, I am having this kind of fever, and it will automatically give some kind of medical prescription that you have to do these kind of tests, go to that pathology lab, these tests are prescribed, and then if we upload that test report in that system, that will create another result that this following medical treatment you have to you are advised to take. In the third system, there are n number of positive examples of all these kind of things, use of AI in positive side.
Yes.
But the example which I have told about the use of deep fake technology, the similar in I4C we are seeing more than, we have seen more than 10,000 complaints using of artificial intelligence to deceive someone, to do cyber crime, financial cyber crime using artificial intelligence, use of deep fake technology. They demand ransoms from people, creating their artificial intelligence based deepfake images
Yes.
And I already give an example that mimicking voice of relatives. So these are the very simple examples and very small examples. The level can be very high.
Yes.
Artificial intelligence is creating a huge challenge in front of our society, that if any attack happened through artificial intelligence, how we are going to react out of this, how we will safeguard our systems. Any attack can stop our metro network instantly,
Yes.
all our light systems or water systems. It can also start any it is called DDoS attack, matlab denial of service.
Ji.
It will
Yes.
send so many n number of time of request to a server, that server will stop working. It can create a situation in which all important sites get hanged. We will not
Yes.
be able to utilize these important sites. Even or UPI network, which is financially very useful. We use UPI systems daily. Many kind of attacks are possible. Now, what in which side we have to give our emphasis, that how we will stop safeguard ourselves from these kind of attacks. The topics, the points which already covered, that continuous awareness,
Yes.
continuous training, continuous
justify.
improvement, using AI in cyber security. These topics, if given we have to invest very much in artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
By this we will be able to defend ourselves.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for this beautiful information. Our many of viewers are appreciating the information given by you, the useful information, and a waking session is that is described by the viewers. That is really informative information we get from this session. For this, thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir. Namaskar, and thank you for this beautiful information. Dear viewers, sir Shri Amit Sankholia, Deputy Director from I4C MHA is with us, and to be with you, a beautiful audience, my pleasure to be with you and with our guest, and that's a 5-day 5-hour online training program, and day 3 we learn the topic artificial intelligence AI based attack. Now, I told you how you can participate or register yourself for this online training program. Now, that's on your screen. I will describe you how you can participate in this particular quiz. First of all, you have to write CIET on any of browser or any of search engine you use. Then you got this home page. This is the CIET NCERT's home page. That's the official website. On this home page, you see many of the information regarding CIET, that's Central Institute of Educational Technology, and on this menu bar you see that option activity. You have to click on this. Now, second last option is on a workshop/training. You have to click on this. Now, next you got this window that's on your page. This is about workshop and training programs. We have that is our current activity. 5-day online program is on your screen. That's on 5 Feb to till 9th Feb. 9th of Feb will be the 5th day of this online training program, and on that day we will conduct training on this. About this training program, we conduct a quiz for you. For this, you have to click on this page, cyber security concern in emerging technologies. This is the topic for our 5-day online training program. Now, on this page you get the each and every information regarding this online training program, as schedule is also shown there. Next, you have to if you scroll down, you can see who can participate. It's clearly mentioned student, teachers, educators, parents, administrator, general public, whoever you are, you can participate in this quiz. And next, we have some clear objectives to conduct this whole training program, that is already mentioned. Again, program schedule is shown there. We have day 3. We have a topic that is very important. We learn today artificial intelligence AI based attack with Sir Shri Amit Sankholia. Next day, on day 4, we learn online banking and cyber security concern with Sir Shri Vishal Dhiman. And on day 5, last day of this training program, we learn demystifying cyber threats intelligence with Sir Dr. Deepak Kumar, senior cyber intelligence expert from I4C MHA. We have an organizing team that is by name, we are giving credit to them. And next, how can we participate? This is one of the interesting question you all are view for this, and there is a registration link or there is a QR code is also there. You can scan this QR code or you can click this link. On this link you get a page. On this page you have to write your name very clearly, your every information in very clear manner. And next, the all 5 session you can watch on our official YouTube channel, that is on NCERT official. Explore there all 5 session. Now 3 sessions already put there. And at last, on step 4, there is a submission feedback link. You must give your feedback, whatever you like about these session, these training program. You can put your feedback there. Feel free to share your every feedback on this link, or you can mail us on our particular mail ID that is also given on this screen, training.helpdesk@ciet.nic.in. Or for further any information, you can call us on 8800440559. So that's our official mail ID. You have to write CIET on of your browser. Tomorrow we will meet again on at same time 4 to 5 p.m. Now time to wrap up this show, and next day we learn online banking and cyber security concern on day 4. And meanwhile, in some minutes we have another important topic of Sahyog is with us, and the topic for today is focused mind successful results. So this is another important session will be going on here in some minutes. You have to watch our all live interactive session of CIET NCERT. My name is Ruchan Rajput and I am signing off from this training program. Have a great day. Namaskar.